Another quote I like says, "Until I was 40, I did not save a penny. I invested every single penny into myself." And guess who said that? It was the world's richest man at the time. Stop thinking and start investing. Hey everyone, it's Spencer Williams back with the Secrets of the Wealthy, where every single week we meet on our money so we can get our money right and build our net worth. Every Wednesday we meet on our money during Secrets of the Wealthy, and every week on Wednesday I want to meet with you to make sure you are getting your money right and setting yourself and your future family up long term. So meet with me 5 to 60 minutes every single week right here, take notes, and let's talk getting wealthy. Let me talk you into getting wealthy. There's this story I was told by one of my mentors about the old widow who never got married because she waited until she was ready. Another quote I like says, "Until I was 40, I did not save a penny. I invested every single penny into myself." And guess who said that? It was the world's richest man at the time. He was a multi-billionaire, and one of the most powerful men in the world gave everybody the secret right there. You guys should be investing as much as you can into yourself, even to the point of pain. Like I am still too. Like where you're like, oh my God, I've invested so much in myself. Why? Why should you do this? Well, number one is you've invested so much, you are going to do it. Number two is you're getting long-term rewards from your investment into yourself. People can never take away knowledge. Knowledge is in your head forever. A very, very rich man, Henry Ford, he was the guy who said, "I think the advice they give young men on saving money is wrong." Guys, pile your money into yourself. I'm running the place right now because I've invested more into myself than anyone else here or watching this. And I continue to, because that's how you win.